Hi guys, welcome back sa Ikikata. Um, Change to the best version of you. Well, that's actually a Japanese word for it. Um, Ayan, today. So, ngayon na, activity day tayo. So, one thing na natutunan ko kay Tony Robbins, since I'm an avid fan. So, meron siyang statement na tumatak sa akin, which is, kaya sabi niya is, either you say you can or you cannot, you're right. Oh no. Medyo di ko din naiintindihan. Hindi, pero joke aside, only means to say na kung ano yung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, tama ka. Okay? Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nun na hanggang dun ka na. Okay? So, let me give you an example. Let's do an exercise today. So, kung asan ka man ngayon, okay? Kung asan ka man ngayon, kung ano man ginagawa mo ngayon, try to do this exercise and see what happens. So, tingin ka sa paligid mo, okay? Look for anything that is brown. Pero yun, so now, you're done with the exercise. Look for anything that is brown. Close your eyes, and then tell me kung may nakita kang pula. Tell me anything that is red. Close your eyes, kamandaya. Most likely, wala ka nakita. Or meron man pero kaunti. Okay, now open your eyes. Okay. And then look around and see anything that you see that is red. Di ba? Ang dami. Alright. So, anong ibig sabihin ng exercise na to? Okay. So, kung saan ka nakatutok, okay, which is yun lang din naman yung sinasabi mo. Okay. And most likely during the exercise, mayroon kang mga pinalusot na brown. Okay, beige man ang kulay niyan or ano ba, cream ang kulay niyan, brown yan para sa iyo. Okay? Just for you to say that you've seen brown. Okay? You're affirming yourself even though it's not brown. Same goes with the red. Okay? So, most likely may mga nakita kang pink, may mga nakita kang fuchsia, may mga nakita kang close to red but you consider it red kasi sabi mo hinahanap mo is red. Okay? So, anything that you say to yourself will be believed as true. May kadugtong na statement yan. Meron pang isang nagsabi na ganito na if you tell a lie long enough, loud enough, strong enough, okay, it will be perceived as true. Same goes to yourself. Okay? If you tell a lie strong enough, long enough, loud enough to yourself, it will be true. It will be perceived as true. It goes both ways, by the way. It goes negatively, it goes positively. Okay? If you tell something na hindi ko to kaya, hindi ko naman alam yan, so on and so forth, most likely hindi ka talaga magsasucceed. Right? But if you keep telling yourself na kaya ko to, you have a positive affirmation to yourself, most likely it will come true. Simple. Okay? Wag natin paguluhin yung buhay natin. Okay? Simplehan lang natin. Alright? So, by the way, yung sabi nun, if you tell a lie long enough, strong enough, long enough. Si Hitler po ang nagsabi nun. Okay? So, those are some of the things that I've learned through Tony Robbins seminars. And malaking bagay siya sa akin ngayon because it just reaffirms something na what I've been telling to myself for how many long years is actually not true. Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako salesman kasi nasa IT industry ako. Sinasabi ko na hindi naman ako kasi magaling magbenta or hindi naman ako negosyante or what not. But hey, kaya naman eh. It's just a matter of ano ba yung pinaniniwala mo sa sarili mo. If yung pinaniniwala mo is something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng positive impact or if it's helping you grow, then go. That's fine. But if it's not, try to rethink about it. Kailangan mo na siyang baguhin. And all of this are just coming from belief system na tuloy-tuloy na naghuhubog ng buhay mo from your past experiences, from your families, so on and so forth. And sometimes those past experiences, due to the emotions that is involved to it, you're trying to believe that it's true. It's not. Okay? So, yun lang for today. Again, mga katotok, see you next